Breaking news, US raises concerns over CAA's constitutional violations. Good evening, viewers. I'm Akbar Zahid, and I'm here with a breaking news update regarding the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, in India. The United States has once again expressed deep concerns over the constitutional implications of certain provisions within the controversial CAA. Recent reports from the independent arm of the US Congress, the Congressional Research Service, CRS, have highlighted that key elements of the CAA may indeed infringe upon specific articles of the Indian Constitution. The Act, which provides a path to citizenship for immigrants of 6 specified religions from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, while excluding Muslims, is under scrutiny for potential constitutional violations. Critics argue that such discriminatory measures are contrary to the principles of India's multi-religious and multilinguistic society, and are in direct conflict with its constitutional framework. The international community, as well as numerous human rights organizations, have repeatedly condemned the Indian government for what they perceive as undemocratic legislation. Moreover, concerns have been raised regarding recent actions by the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. The change in the color of the logo of the public broadcaster Doordarshan to a saffron hue akin to the BJP's flag has sparked controversy. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has condemned this move, labeling it as a precursor to the BJP's alleged agenda of saffronizing various aspects of Indian society. In addition, BJP leaders have been accused of openly violating election codes of conduct in their campaign speeches, with apparent impunity from the Election Commission. This perceived inaction by the electoral oversight body has led to further criticism and accusations of bias. Amidst these developments, calls for civil society to take a stand against what is perceived as authoritarianism are growing louder. Stay tuned as we bring you further updates on this evolving story.